Hey, you remember GameStop, don't you? Yeah, it's the meme stonk. Well, according to this article I found from BusinessInsider.com, GameStop is hiring a team of NFT and Web3 specialists as it pushes into the future of the internet. When I first saw this headline, I thought to myself, interesting that GameStop is used in the same sentence as the future of the internet. We all know it most as a retail store for video games that's under threat by digital content delivery systems. I now can download my Xbox games without going to GameStop and pitching a tent outside and waiting in the cold for Halo 3 to come out, even though it was so worth it. But it seems that GameStop is ready to evolve, and it's not going quietly into this dark night. It's turning its attention to NFTs, and it comes as no surprise to me, because NFTs are a major player in what's called GameFi or game finance, where you can have blockchain games and NFTs owning your digital assets directly in the games you're playing, and even getting the opportunity to earn crypto for playing video games. My childhood dreams are coming true. We did it, 12-year-old Justin. We did it. So aside from posting notable job openings for GameStop and working on its new NFT endeavor, it also launched a new website called GameStop NFT. So it seems like GameStop is getting pretty serious about non-fungible tokens. Now, we have to give credit to where credit is due regarding GameStop's recent rise to meme status, and that's Reddit, of course, pumping the stonk of GameStop and putting it to those institutions that want to see GameStop go down, shorten it. I don't like that. When Reddit found out about this news of GameStop and NFTs on r/superstonk, they upvoted it 8,000 times. So I definitely think that they're seeing the connection and the potential of GameStop being very relevant in today's day and age. Well, check out the link in the description and follow, like, subscribe, bye.